But I suppose the question that there are some Muslim women who wear the burqa, but when they go to the college, they remove the burqa. Inside they wear jeans and they misbehave with the men. The hijab of a Muslim woman should only be done in front of the mahram. If they are going to a ladies' college in which everyone there is a woman, so if they wear the burqa on the streets and in the classroom where there are only ladies, they remove the burqa, there's no problem at all. No problem at all. But I do know you're referring to certain colleges which have got men and women, co-ed colleges, have got colleges which contain male and female students. In this case, it's wrong. In front of the Namairam, it's compulsory they should wear burqas. If there are a few Muslim women who do this, that doesn't mean that no Muslim woman should wear a burqa. It is that there are black sheep in every community. There are black sheep in every community. Just by picking up these black sheep and saying that because these few people are doing wrong activities, therefore I will not do that, that's not right at all. For example, if you have to judge a car, a Mercedes car, which is bought in the market, latest model, and you ask a person to sit behind the steering wheel who does not know how to drive the car, he doesn't know how to drive, and he bangs up the car, who will you blame? The car or the driver? Who will you blame? The driver. The person driving the car doesn't know how to drive. If you want to check how good the car is, you have to see how good is the specification, how powerful it is, what are securities, what's the average, how fast can it go, etc., etc. And if you want to judge how good the car is, practically let a person who knows how to drive the car sit behind the steering wheel. Therefore, by saying that I will not wear a burqa because some women, they misbehave with men and take advantage, it's like you saying that Mercedes car is bad because the driver doesn't know how to drive. Illogical. There are black sheep in every community. Hitler, you know Hitler? He incinerated 6 million Jews. 6 million Jews. Can I blame Christianity for that? Can I? No. He's a bad example. So similarly, if certain women do these activities, all the more reason the other Muslims should say, because there are certain Muslim women who are maligning the name of Islam, all the more reason I should wear burqa and prove to the other human beings that a Muslim woman is good. If you find certain Muslim women who are misbehaving because of certain ill information, certain bad natures in this, we as Muslims should do islah, should improve them. At the same time, all the more reason you should wear the label more. If suppose a Mercedes car comes to no company, that a person doesn't know how to drive and banged up the car, they'll give a full page ad. The person who drove the car didn't know how to drive. Therefore, he banged up the car. So you have to advertise more. All the more reason you should wear. And prove to the people that Islam is the best way of life. So you cannot say that I will not wear burqa based on the wrong did by certain Muslimah. Regarding the second part of the question, that there are certain non-Muslims who wear the burqa to hide themselves, I've got no objection. Now they're wearing it to hide from certain reason. Maybe tomorrow they'll accept, inshallah. I'm aware that there are certain non-Muslims who wear it to do wrong activities. Maybe Allah will open up the heart one day. We cannot tell them that, see, what you're doing is wrong. We can tell them that the niyyah is wrong. You cannot say wearing burqa is wrong. You can tell them your niyyah, the reason that burqa is there is to protect the modesty. You are taking advantage of this act and doing an immodest act. We have to correct them. And we have to let the people know that burqa is actually for the modesty and give the reply for the hijab, which you can refer to my video cassette, that why Muslims should wear hijab. Hope that answers the question.